Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073CFE on your Windows PC. The first solution you can try is resetting the Microsoft Store. To do this, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Microsoft Store. When you see Microsoft Store in the search results, right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down until you find the Reset option. Click Reset and wait for the process to complete. Once it is finished, restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. If the issue is still there, move on to the next solution. Try signing out of your Microsoft account and then signing back in. Open Microsoft Store, sign out of your account, and then sign in again using the same account. After that, check if the error has been resolved. If the problem continues, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. If there is no connection, try switching to another available network and then test the Microsoft Store again. If none of these methods work, open the search bar, type CMD, and when command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Then type SFC/scanO and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish completely. After completing the scans, restart your computer and check the Microsoft Store again. Thanks for watching.